Lord Randall comes home gravely injured, sharing the story of his doomed journey and suspicious encounters with his mother. He describes interaction with his hawk, his hound, and his lover, each suggesting he was poisoned. These events build up to his death, leaving the listener to conclude he was likely betrayed and killed. The ballad highlights the mystery of his death and the haunting meaning behind his final words. The ballad Lord Randall explores themes such as betrayal, love, trust, and the struggle between good and evil. It offers a thought-provoking analysis of the character's decisions and motivations, shedding light on the consequences of misplaced trust and the fragile nature of relationships. Lord Randall's unwavering trust in his lover highlights his vulnerability, and his tragic outcome serve as cautionary narrative. Lord Randall explores profound moral and philosophical themes, stressing the significance of love, trust, and the ability to discern between good and evil. Cautions against misplaced trust and encourages critical thinking. By delving into the characters' choices and motivations, readers gain insight into the moral fabric and its relevance to human experience. Lord Randall is a haunting ballad that delves into the themes of betrayal and the consequences of deceit. The narrative follows the narrowing tale of Lord Randall, who returns home to his mother, disclosing that he has been hunted and poisoned by his own lover. The mother's distress adds an emotional layer to the poem, emphasizing the themes of betrayal and lost innocence. This ballad serves as a stark reminder of the darker facets of love and trust, highlighting that even those closest to us can inflict the deepest pain. Its oral tradition ensures that its themes of love, betrayal, and morality endure across generations, resonating with audiences through time.